Patumi Dipukans resource along KDNF amai kecheng siapong kipadu. Laso perang kecheng room amai along digital news is the media of presence and future pu. Akimang mati moto and pensi isi ning isi pet lapen. Ahok pet asai kiklem jiapan Karbi Anglong digital news conference meet paduponlo. Lason si patumi ni pai Kresiani Dipu along KDNF amai paduponlo. Labang so ke padopon ki klem rapet phirang ki do anatum kachirap kachitopen mo iprang ki wang ji kisong ke boyalong kachirap jia phan lapen freedom of expression article 19 ateng ki klem jia jakong ke padu thip jia phansi paman ponlo labang so mailong kachitong BD Sarmati legal advisor advocate service on timung pen reporter asaya puthakalam jaipon lapen district press of Karbi Anglong penta Kimisen Japan BD sore chipa choidun. Lapen Dipu Press Club hempenta Misen Japan claim rapet pherangki atum aphan anta aning pathedun. Lapen Karbi Anglong alo kedo an media hempu atum pen lamthi chipaklang dun lapen birta kirip dun long atengke thong capso se media house dopusi chethan renti. Special guest pen nang chetong dun Dr. Lily I Terangpi Assistant Professional DGCI hin penta Pherangkia tumaron lapen ki claim nang jia sai pinang an lapen thek an than pare dun ki jusi panel discussion padulu labang so ki pado akimang ki endpon ki digital news is the media of present and future pu endpon pensi chithan chimunglo labang so long ki than pare atu nang kachetong don mate panelize kidoke Kirsing Teron former President Karbi Lamet Amai Lapen Dr. Lily Ay Terangpi DGC Assistant Professional Halabang so Amai Long Kachetong kedoan ning cepat hepon athi mo iprang kewang jia kisung doan da isi vet mate iklai vet pensi kachisong jia phansi ning chi bipon trinti Bokajan pen Arun Taro report Karbi Anglong TV9 News.
When we talk about technology or when we talk about digital news, see, till now, even though like all of us are familiar with the smartphones or digital thing, but many of us don't know exactly, like like we are still illiterate. I mean, in like media literacy. I should rather say we are still illiterate, and we need to be literate in medias. We need to get familiar with lot of like
media person atau her ki hap laksam doko pulote la Karbi Anglong digital news forum hin kan
la suapu thake ilitunge her hap nonda pomati di ilitung kana bang geri teli nonda ko asi aprangsi step kideng jiki lalo itung law and order chiki po semera bangke si badu pherang ke ban sidame jong si kether ke hab doko pulote badu elements peno kether ke hab doko pulote first and foremost bangke ilitung law and order pansi itung chiki
digital news forum ahin penitum chari ponsi ladak dipu lapen manja atwar akung along kido dip cons resort along nilitum media conference padupon lo sila bangsu a media conference nilitum akimanga bangke phirangke ke claim tu koson si ning si kido pen ke claim jima lapen ke only dadak dipu ku jogalilo Karbi Anglong West Karbi Anglong media mate phirangke ke claim atum an ke ning si pen ke claim athe kedam tanga por hustami phirangke tum han ke ther ke hap ahok biuta ke pachetak pen ke paklang ke de ji phan tangka pen ke bai lapuson stami dulo asi lapuson kalidet pen koson si phirangke tum amithang akam ahok pet pen ke cheklem pon thekjima lapen ke ning si pen koson si cheklem ponchima labangso phan si pini nilitum labangso media conference nilitum labangso adimlo padopolo lahen lo secretary pat